We are done discussing exercises related to vocabulary section. Let's move on to next exercises which are related to grammar portion. So first question is, find the regular verbs in each line, write them in blanks and use them in sentences. So regular verbs कौन से होते हैं जो ed या d पर end होते हैं. हमारे पास हर लाइन में 4 verbs दिए गए हैं. इनमें से हमें regular verbs को pick out करना है जो कि ed या d पर end होंगे और उनको हमने sentences में use करना है. So in first one, read, feel, play, see. So इसमें play एक ऐसा verb है जिसकी second और third form played होती है जो कि end पे इसके ed आता है. So we'll use it in sentence. Play है हमारे पास verb, so we'll use it as I like to play badminton. Second is listen, do, go, make. So in this we have listen, क्योंकि इसके second और third form listened होता है. Would you bother to listen to your parents? Third is know, help, say, think. इसमें help जो है regular verb है because इसके second third form helped होता है. We all should help poor people. Fourth is like, write, forget, eat. इसमें like हो जाएगा. I like to read books. Fifth is take, bring, cut, clean. Because इसके second और third form cleaned होते हैं. He must clean his room now as it's really messy. Sixth is watch, be, have, meet. इसमें watch हो जाएगा. I do not like to watch horror movies as they are really scary. Seventh is put, buy, cook, teach. Cook is a regular verb. I like to cook and eat pasta on every weekend. Eighth is catch, find, answer, lose. Answer is a regular verb. He could barely answer any of the questions asked by teacher. Ninth is want, tell, win, sit. Want. I always wanted to buy an expensive watch. 10th is sell, build, drink, open. Open is a regular verb. She opened the door. Let's move on to next exercise, which is change the verb in parentheses into simple past. So parentheses में जो हमें verbs दिए गए हैं उनको हमने simple past में change करना है. So simple past में हम second form of verb use करते हैं. First is I hear a new song on the radio. I heard a new song on the radio. Second is I read 3 books last week. I read, spelling same होंगे, पढ़ेंगे हम read इसे. 3 books last week. Third is they speak in Urdu to the waitress. They spoke in Urdu to the waitress. Fourth is he understand during the class but now he doesn't understand. He understood during the class, but now he doesn't understand. Fifth is I forget to buy some milk. जिसका हो जाएगा I forgot to buy some milk. Sixth is she have a baby in June. She had a baby in June. Seventh is you lose your keys last week. You lost your keys last week. Eighth is they swim 500 meters. They swam 500 meters. Ninth, at the age of 23, she became a doctor. At the age of 23, she became a doctor. 10th is, I knew the answer yesterday. I knew the answer yesterday. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.